My name is Dr. Kim Page. In 1996, I did physics with astrophysics, and then I stayed here to do a PhD in X-ray astronomy.
My name is Mark Wright. I studied mathematics with astronomy from 1976 to 1979. I had an absolutely great time here. It was the most informative time of my life.
I loved my time as a student here. It was inspiring. It was really nice to meet other people who were so focused on physics and astronomy.
Today has been absolutely wonderful to meet with people I hadn't seen for many, many decades. We've had quite a few photographs.
Seeing the old archival documents, the old prospectuses and things, the models of the space satellites. We managed to look through the H-alpha telescope at the sun. That was actually really cool for me. I had an amazing 4 years as an undergrad and then as a PhD, and I'd love to go back and relive it, honestly.